Hello everyone, RC Duke. Just want to show a couple of repairs that I got to do to my old Maxx. I had the old body on there. I got this for, I think it was Christmas. My wife had got me a new top for it. So I changed that old top out and put the buggy top. But last time I went camping, and this thing is dialed in pretty good. I wasn't waiting for it. Yeah, got some scratches on it. But this thing will do wheelies. I mean, it's so cool. It's just, I'm gonna have to make another video with it running. I mean, I was riding wheelies 20 and 30 feet, just staying up in the air. It's awesome. So I'm gonna make a video of it when I get the repairs done. But yes sir, so this is what I have to repair and show y'all. One of them was cracked already. It holds the front bulkhead on. Yeah, it's finally finished breaking. You can see how it down in there. See? Yeah, it's cracked right across the bulkhead right there and down there. And it comes down right there. Yep, most of those, it just crunch. Yep. Nailed it and it flipped over. It took off and right in the wheel and it flipped. Wasn't waiting for it. Yeah. But I still ran it for a little ways, but I finished it off. So, got the bulkheads. Right here, I'm gonna change them out. And I just noticed a while ago, I didn't notice that, this arm back here is cracked through and through. So, I'm gonna give me some new arms for it. I'm gonna repair this one. I'm gonna order me some new ones. Change them out when I get the new arms in. So, that's what I have for right now. I'm gonna tear it down and I'm gonna show y'all. And I got it fixed. It's through. That's what I got for right now. That's what I'm about to do. So I'm gonna get to tearing this thing down. See y'all in a little bit. But I gotta take all this stuff off, and so yeah, all that good fun. I love doing stuff like this, repairing these things. It's so cool. It gives me something to do, y'all. Now that I don't work no more. Alright, so let me get to repairing, and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Yes sir. Alright, we're back at it. Yep, got the front end off. I just took it all off in one piece. Yep, I already got this side changed. Real simple, guys. A few screws. Down right there, down right there. And you pull it out. And these two right here. And that's it. Slide those out. Put the new bulkhead back in. And you're good to go. Now I gotta change this one over here. Papa. Yeah, see how I got the screw out? Yep. See how it broke off? That piece right there. So I'm gonna change that side. Yep. And I'm gonna slap it back on the front end right there. Yes sir. It'll be like brand new again. One day I'm gonna get me a new shock tower. I'll have to order it, I guess. But even that big flip didn't break it again, because I had JB welded it when I got it. It was already tie wrapped, because this is an old nitro buggy. So, but when I put the JB weld on it, yep, she held up. So might just leave it like that for now until it breaks again. And order me a new bulkhead, new shock tower. So, alright, I'm gonna get on with this process. I'm gonna show y'all when it's done. Alrighty, see y'all in a little bit. Okie dokie. She's all back together. Got the new pieces in. And you see the gray bulkhead in there. Yep. Working good. Yes, sir. This thing is a beast. I'm gonna do a running video. Show y'all. That's the little 2.5. That'll put that 2.3 crankshaft in it. I don't know what it did to it. It gave it a lot more horsepower or whatever. It did something to it. Cause she screams. She's mad. Also, got my little JB weld on my broken. That thing got hard already. Yep. Think I'm gonna use it like that. These brakes. Then I'm just gonna give me some new arms for it. They cheap. Get them for hardly nothing. Yes, sir. I don't know why these front ones look newer than the back ones, but maybe they changed them out before. I guess. I don't know. But, yep, there she is. All back together. Simple fix. You see the new part is gray. Cool. Yes, sir. Awesome. Ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna put the shell back on her. Yep. That's it. I have to do me a run video now. Cool. Let's get it. Awesome. Alright, y'all. I want to thank everybody for watching my videos and all that good stuff. Awesome. I don't know if she do. Oh.